A very good morning to all my students. Students, I hope you all are fine and stay safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter number 12, that is symmetry and patterns. And in that also we have completed exercise 12A, exercise 12B and exercise 12C. Students, yesterday we have studied tick the correct answer. So students, today we are going to study match the following. Now students, let's start your maths class. Students, today we will study match the following. Students, this is a column A and this is a column B. And we have to match column A with the column B. Students, now come to question number 1. Rectangle have. Students, how many lines of symmetry does a rectangle have? So, rectangle have 2 lines of symmetry. Students, look at this figure. This is a rectangle. Students, you can see that rectangle have 2 lines of symmetry. One is this and second is this. So, rectangle have 2 lines of symmetry. Students, now come to question number 2. Triangle have. Students, how many lines of symmetry does a triangle have? So, triangle have 3 lines of symmetry. Now students, look at this figure. This is a triangle. Students, you can see that triangle have 3 lines of symmetry. One is this, second is this, and third is this. So, triangle have 3 lines of symmetry. Students, now come to question number 3. Square have. Students, how many lines of symmetry does a square have? So, square have 4 lines of symmetry. Now students, look at this figure. This is a square. Students, you can see that square have 4 lines of symmetry. One is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this. So, square have 4 lines of symmetry. Students, now come to question number 4. Circle have. Students, how many lines of symmetry does a circle have? So, circle have infinite lines of symmetry. Students, circle have infinite lines of symmetry. It means circle have many lines of symmetry which we can't count them. Students, now look at this figure. This is a circle. Students, you can see that circle have many lines of symmetry. Students, it is not possible for us to count all the lines of symmetry in a circle. So, circle have many lines of symmetry which we can't count them. So, circle have infinite lines of symmetry. Students, you can see that circle have infinite lines of symmetry. And it is not possible for us to count all the lines of symmetry in a circle. So, circle have infinite lines of symmetry. Students, now come to question number 5. Lines of symmetry divide a figure into. Students, we have learned that lines of symmetry divide a figure into 2 equal halves. So, lines of symmetry divide a figure into 2 equal halves. Students, now come to question number 6. 2 types of symmetry. Students, we have learnt that there are 2 types of symmetry. One is rotational symmetry and second is reflection symmetry. So, 2 types of symmetry, rotational symmetry and reflection symmetry. Students, now come to question number 7. We can turn a figure. Students, we have learned that we can turn a figure up to 1/2 or 3/4. So, we can turn a figure up to 1/2 or 3/4. Now students, this match the following. You have to do it in your fair copy. Students, note down your homework. Tomorrow will be revision test of chapter number 5, that is decimals. Students, tomorrow I will take your revision test of chapter number 5, that is decimals. So, practice all the exercises of chapter number 5, that is decimals. Students, this is your homework. Students, tomorrow I will take your revision test of chapter number 5, that is decimals. So, practice all the exercises of chapter number 5, that is decimal. Students, note down your homework. This is your homework.